in a semester will associated with the CGPA of the students. Ni ada contoh kan. Result student bergantung kepada jumlah subjek yang diambil within a semester and level of kesusahan dia. Kan, is it subjek teras universiti ataupun teras fakulti ataupun kita boleh tengok adakah subjek tu the level is banyak calculation ke tak. Okay, there are many relationship that you can identify. Okay, we talk about associations is what is the relationship between A and B. Okay, if I increase. So actually, when you would like to pose question related to the association discovery, you would like to answer question of what if. The word refers to what if questions. Okay, what if question. What will happen to your sales if you increase 10% budget in marketing? What will happen to the CGPA of students if we go for open distance learning for teaching and learning processes? Ni pun boleh jadi satu kajian. Okay, that is associations. Another example of associations discovery. What will happen to the results of the students if they keep on continually using Google Meet in order to do explanations for the chapters, for example. What will happen to the number of cases in Malaysia if people in Malaysia did not stay at home? Itu pun another contoh. Okay, association discovery. Alright, next, move on to the second techniques. Yang ni direct. Association discovery is direct. We take a look at the relationship between two attributes or two records. Okay, this next one is sequential pattern discovery. Find patterns between events such that the presence of one set of item is followed by another set of item in a database of even over a period of time. Okay, untuk sequential pattern discovery, dia ada bagi you have pre and post. Okay, yang tadi the first one tu dia tak ada masa. That is the data that you analyze for that time, time. Okay, untuk satu masa sahaja. But for this sequential pattern, you have a time period. Okay, you have a time period, for example, before and after. So for example, we have a set of data, contohnya sekarang ni COVID-19 ni, ambil contoh COVID-19 punya set. We have two type of vaccines. Okay, we test. Sorry madam for bother you. We need to finish the chapter ke madam sebab time schedule dah lebih masa madam. Sorry again madam. Ya pukul berapa sekarang ni? 12.40 dah ke? Okay, let me finish the link analysis and then kita stop. Yeah, let me finish on this operation. So we left only one operation to cover next class. Tak apa, kita revise balik konsep-konsep awal tu. But kita habiskan dulu link analysis because tadi dah masuk association discovery. Okay, for association direct one. Yelah kan. Kalau macam dalam kelas lagi nak cerita contoh-contoh banyak ni. Okay, for sequential pattern, tadi yang association dia tak involve with time frame. Okay, sequential pattern discovery involve with time frame. Nampak ada perkataan tu, events over a period of time. So you want to like to understand the long term customer buying behavior. So you tengok, you ambil mula-mula you collect data sebelum start semester, and at the end of the semester you collect another data with the same respondents. Contohnya respondents A, okay, kita ambil sampel darah dia, then we analyze the darah, they come up with the result. Okay, let's say after 3 months, we given dia bagi makan vitamin C, for example, follow the schedule. So after 3 months, kita ambil sampel darah dia, then we take a look at the result of the darah. Is there any changes in term of the, adalah darah punya characteristics kan? So actually, we would like to analyze the functions of the effectiveness of vitamin C in that respondent A. Tu contoh, okay? To understand term customer buying behavior. Okay, that is for sequential pattern. So we have a time period, one set of data that have time frame. Okay, that a period of time. Okay, the third technique, sequential, similar time sequence. Third techniques, Akif, third technique. Kejap lagi tak nak habis dah, Akif. Okay, kejap. Okay, similar time sequence discovery. Okay, for this one, sama dengan konsep nombor 2, cuma dia ada 2 sets of data. Tadi dia tak ada, alright, so similar time sequence, similar to the second one just now, that is the sequential pattern. Sequential pattern, dia ada selang masa. Let's say tadi I bagi contoh, dia nak kaji keberkesanan of the vitamin A to the same respondents within certain period of time. So mula-mula ambil darah, lepas 3 bulan ambil darah lagi sekali selepas diberi vitamin A, for example. Okay, for this one, sama dengan sequential pattern, however, you have 2 sets of data. Okay, the first set kita bagi vitamin A, the second set of data kita bagi vitamin pengganti A, contohnya B lah kan. So then we analyze the data, we compare mana satu vitamin yang lebih bagus, A ke B, for example. Okay, that is the examples of let's say ni dia bagi contoh within 3 months of buying property. Okay, the time period here is 3 months. They would like to take a look at the purchase goods new homeowners will purchase. Okay, orang yang baru beli rumah, dia akan beli barang apa? Okay, within 3 months. Selepas 3 bulan dia beli rumah, most of the owners akan beli what kind of home goods. Okay, contohnya cookers ke, freezer ke, washing machines ke. That is the examples. Actually, untuk yang the fourth operation tu, ada 2-3 slide dia. Let us complete the one. The fourth operation, so let us complete it. The chapter actually sampai situ je. Yang belakang-belakang tu, yang tu tak masuk dalam syllabus sebenarnya. Okay, the fourth operation is deviation detections. This is the new operations in terms of data mining tools. Okay, so it use only 2 techniques, statistics and visualization techniques to produce the results. Okay, yang ni adalah yang baru yang keluar sekarang ni. Most of the result we prefer to go for infographic kan. Yang visualization infographic tu, itulah deviation detection. Example given here is next. Ada 2 teknik. Statistics is you do the measures and visualizations is next slide, Akif. Okay, these are the techniques in terms of the statistics. Tunjuk visualizations. Okay, you boleh refer. Next slide, Keith. This one, kan? Dia suka lebih kepada infographic. Kalau statistics tu, dia more to the details explanation of the how you produce the results. Okay, next. I ingat decision 3, next. Ini another contoh. Next slide, cluster analysis. Ini contoh-contoh. At the end of the slide ni sebenarnya these are all examples of the analysis that you can do using data mining tools. Next, infographic kan. So next, this is infographic using visualizations. Next slide. Factor analysis, this one is under statistic. Yang ni lebih kepada infographic. Next. Association rules. Okay, ni contoh model. Okay, contoh-contoh yang diberi in term of link analysis. Next. Ya, kita dah habis dah sebenarnya chapter 7. So the rest of these slides here actually examples of from the 4 operations and the 9 techniques just now. This is all the examples of analysis that you can do using data mining tools. Sampai habis. Cuba you pergi laju sikit, Kif. Okay, these are all the techniques data mining. Yang ni tak masuk dalam syllabus kita. Kejap, data mining process. Yang ni sekejap steps of data mining ke? Yep. Yang ni kita sambung next slide. Rasa yang ni ada. No, not this one. Yang ni summary je. Yang ni second part ni. Okay, we continue with this one. Next class. Okay, the 7 process of data mining ni. Yang ni perlu ni. Tapi just kalau keluar pun keluar dekat part A. So untuk assignment tadi, dia covers up to the technique studies. Okay, up to the technique. So the question B1 asks you to define what is the data mining, data warehouse application tu. Jawapan dia adalah data mining. B2, based on your answer in B1, what is the suitable operation? So ada 4 pilihan jawapan. Predictive modeling, database segmentations, link analysis or yang last kali tadi apa? Visualization dengan statistik tadi. Data. Okay, next is then the third question will be asked will be what is the suitable techniques based on your answer in B2? And justify your answer. So that will be the question asked in your okay, so continue next class untuk the rest of the chapter 7 ada sikit lagi the process of data mining. Okay, the 7 steps of how you do data mining. Okay, yang tu sebenarnya pun easy for you to understand because we have explored the WECA in the group project discussion in our class. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Sorry terlebih-lebih masa. Okay, next time I'm going to use the phone in order to go for Meet, Google Meet instead of using PC. Sebab laptop lines is quite bad, quite slow and not clear. Alright, thank you. Assalamualaikum. Okay, siapa tadi yang Hasha yang record tadi, can you please share in our class, Google Classroom ke? Okay, Google Classroom because video is quite big size. Oh, letak YouTube. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum.